rhythm pon this ride. Beat so heavy it collide. Deep roots grow where we abide. Me walk the earth, me hold the vibe. Me spirit flow, me soul alive. The sun it bless, the skin so brown. The echo of the drum profound. Roots run deep and the bassline strong. The rhythm of the heart it keep me long. From Kingston town to the hills so steep. My soul plays sound that the ancestors keep. From yard to yard the message fly. Me chant the struggle, never shy. The elders talk, me not forget. Them wisdom build me silhouette. Roots run deep and the bassline strong. The rhythm of the heart it keep me long. From Kingston town to the hills so steep. My soul plays sound that the ancestors keep. Them say the music the healer true. From mama's cry to the morning dew. A bridge between this world to seek. Selassie guide we Jah protect the weak. Her roots run deep and the bassline strong. The rhythm of the heart it keep me long. From Kingston town to the hills so steep. My soul plays sound that the ancestors keep. Them say the music the healer true. From mama's cry to the morning dew. A bridge between this world to seek. Selassie guide we Jah protect the weak. Roots run deep and the bassline strong. The rhythm of the heart it keep me long. From Kingston town to the hills so steep. My soul plays sound that the ancestors keep. Say the music the healer true. From mama's cry to the morning dew. A bridge between this world to seek. Selassie guide we, Jah protect the weak. Oh yeah, the rhythm come alive. Bassline heavy, the heartbeat thrive. We are trod through the storm and the fight. Jah guide we every day and night. Them I wonder how me move so clean. Life a struggle but me still serene. Poverty are the beast me sing, but music make the world so keen. Feel the bass it now go low. Through the fire, through the glow. Reggae say we reap what we sow. All together make the spirit grow. Them say the system now make we rise, but we sharp like the eagle eyes. Them can't drown what we realize. Jah love keep burning through the skies. So me say now bow to greed. Roots and culture the very seed. Unity in a reggae creed. Righteous living be the lead. Feel the bass it now go low. Through the fire, through the glow. Reggae the place. The bassline roll, pull up the trace. Soul vibrate like it can't stay in the case. Heavy bassline, it's a guide my way. Dub sound strong, it not stray. My crown stay firm, can't fade away. Reggae keep the darkness at bay every day. The blast of the heart, me have to dance. Jumping on the ocean, giving life a chance. Step on the beat like a lion in a trance. Jah guide me not take no mischance. Rhythm heavy, it rock my core. Me can't ignore when the dub explore. From Kingston roots to the worldwide shore. Jamaican soul, forever say more. Heavy bassline, it's a guide my way. Dub sound strong, it not stray. My crown stay firm, can't fade away. Reggae keep the darkness at bay every day. Rhythm fly like bird from the tree. Ease my mind, let my spirit be free. The world can't hold my spirit's key. Pathway on the rhythm, Jah bless me still see. The morning sun for my face, the rhythm hit. Me stepping at the place. The bassline roll, pull up the trace. Soul vibrate like it can't stay in the case. Heavy bassline, it's a died no way. Dub sound strong, it not stray. My crown stay firm, can't fade away. Reggae keep the darkness at bay every day. Ease my mind, let my spirit be free. The world can't, the spirit's key. Pathway on the rhythm, Jah bless me still see.